So working on foundations. Oh boy. What a mess. What a mess.
Yeah, the unit.
These are supposed to be on top of something. There's nothing under here holding these up. Pulled all this stuff loose. I think we got a little problem here.
What's your feeling? Do we need to dig these in the ground?
Well,
He said something about digging, but it's up high enough over to this side. But
well,
I don't know what he
yeah.
wants. He should be here pretty quick.
Let's say that they need to be 24 inches from that.
Put one there and 7 foot
Yeah.
to the front.
Yeah, this side's going to be really simple to
Oh,
do.
yeah. If you feel like digging, you can go ahead and start.
You got digging on your mind yet?
Yeah.
It's at about an inch, maybe 2 inches. That's no problem. Whoa. Probably about 6 inches here. Yeah, we're about 6 inches out of it. All right. Might as well take that one out too.
Oh, that's another head solid one.
Yeah. You take this off? No.
Later.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the end of it. The end of the house and the start of the what you call the back patio. There we go.
Yeah. Let's go.
But this is you know what this is called here?